you are looking for a brightening anti-aging homemade cream, this is a cream you want to try out. This cream will even out your skin tone. This cream will brighten. This cream also tackles wrinkles and fine line. So this is a ginger cream you want to make at home, and your skin is definitely going to thank you. Okay, so what you need is ginger root. So this ginger root have been washed. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is to peel and remove the back of the ginger. So ginger root is very nice to the skin. It helps to reduce aging sign. It has anti-inflammatory, and it's also an antioxidant. So make sure that you peel the back, and what we're going to use to make this cream is the ginger juice. Okay, you might be asking whether it's going to be kind of hot on the skin. No, you're not going to notice it. So after that, all you need to do is to thoroughly wash the ginger again, and the next thing you're going to do is to grate the ginger. So make sure that you get a very clean plate and make sure that your grater is neat. Then you gently grate the ginger because we need the ginger juice. Okay, so if there are other alternative means to get your ginger juice without adding water, you can also go for that. Guys, this cream is what you want to try out. If you've been using creams and it's not really working out for you, this is a natural cream you want to try out. So after grating the ginger, this is what we have. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to get a cheesecloth. Then you transfer the grated ginger into the cheesecloth, and you're going to gently squeeze it to get the juice. So what we need is the juice. You don't need to add any form of water. Okay, so here we have our ginger juice ready. Set the juice aside, then measure out half teaspoon of mulberry extract. Then you're going to be adding half tablespoon of the ginger juice. Okay, so once you add the ginger juice to the mulberry extract, you're going to gently mix until it dissolves. Okay, so mulberry extract is a natural brightening skin ingredient, and it also helps to exfoliate and gently exfoliate the skin. So make sure that you mix until the mulberry extract dissolves very well. So like I said, mulberry is very nice. It's a natural skincare ingredient that helps to brighten the skin. Okay, so here we have our base cream, right? And this is 30 grams of base cream. You're going to add the ginger mixture into the base cream. They are going to gently mix to incorporate. This is a natural cream you want to try at home, and of course is budget friendly. You don't need to spend tons and tons of money to have that beautiful flawless skin. Okay, you can come up with this simple DIY effective cream at home, and you're going to see the amazing result. So you're going to mix these together. Make sure you mix and mix and mix until everything is well incorporated. So it's easy to come up with, as you guys can see. Like, you don't need to break the bank to have that beautiful and supple skin. Okay, the next ingredient we are going to add is half to 1 tablespoon of turmeric oil. Turmeric oil helps to brighten the skin. It helps to smoothen and also glow the skin. Then we have 2 capsules of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant. It also helps to soften the skin. Okay, so once you've added the vitamin E oil, the next thing you're going to do is to mix and mix very well. Okay, if you don't have the vitamin E oil capsule, you can go for the bottle vitamin E oil and measure out about half teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. Then you add to this mixture. Okay, so gently mix until everything is well mixed. So once you are done mixing, this is what it's going to look like. Then you're going to add quarter teaspoon of your preservative. I'm using German Plus preservative. So once you add the preservative, you're going to mix and mix very well. So preservative helps to prolong the shelf life of this cream. Did I tell you that this cream also glows the skin, and it also clear dark spots and hyperpigmentation? This cream does a whole lot, and it's something you can make from the comfort of your home. So for the base cream, you can go to my about page here on YouTube and get my digital product where you can learn how to make this base cream yourself. As you guys can see, we are done making the cream, and make sure that you transfer it into a clean and sterilized container, and this is what we have. So guys, hope you try this out and your skin is going to thank you. See you guys in my next one, and have a lovely day. Bye.